Hi, what is your most pressing issue at present as a parent?
Majorly, it is saying no to the teenagers for any of the issues.
Is how you
Okay,
say
thank
no
you.
to your teenager. शांति से सुनो. ना बोलने के पहले there are two things you have to do. The first is you have to listen very calmly. Give them your full attention before responding. This shows respect and lets you understand their perspective also. And the other thing before saying no is think it through. Is there any reason you want to say no, or is there any common ground you can find? Is it very impulsive no? तो नो बोलने के पहले ये दो चीज़ें आप समझ लीजिए कि क्या आप नो इम्पल्सिवली बोल रहे हैं, नंबर वन. एंड नंबर टू, शांति से सुन लीजिए आपका बच्चा जो आपसे बोलना चाह रहा है. लिसन टू इट. नाउ कमिंग टू व्हेन यू आर सेइंग नो, हाउ टू से नो. Find a firm but loving no. Avoid lengthy explanation which might challenge your child. So let it be very straightforward no. ज़्यादा डिटेल्स में जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. If required, कहीं कहीं पे you have to briefly explain. So you can explain that why you are saying no, and when you are doing that, you can focus on safety, you can focus on responsibility and long term goals and concerns. Like for example, स्कूल से बाद अगर कहीं बच्चा जाना चाहता है and if you know that it is going to be late, so it is about their safety, so you can tell them that it is going to be late and that is why you are not comfortable, and you can bring the safety factor here. Sometimes if you don't know the parents वहाँ पे और कौन रहने वाला है, so bring those things which will show that the child has to be responsible, you are concerned about their safety, and you are thinking about long term goals. So briefly explain these things if at all required. Apart from this, when you are saying no, you can always think of other options. Like for example, if your child wants to buy something which is very expensive, you can tell your child कि you manage half the price and you save for it, and I will pay for the rest of the half. You can even make this arrangement 20 and 80%. So things like that, so where you also take the responsibility and you make your child take the responsibility also. Then last but not the least, sometimes बाद में बात करेंगे, let's talk later works. If the emotions are high, suggest a calmer time to discuss. Apart from this, some things you can always keep in mind. Additional tips are like, whenever you are saying no, use the I statements but with a caring touch. Always say that I am doing this because I care. I am doing this because I am concerned about your safety. And उनकी फीलिंग को समझो, अंडरस्टैंड देयर फीलिंग्स, एक्नॉलेज देयर डिसअपॉइंटमेंट. सो बिफोर एक्सप्लेनिंग यू कैन से दैट आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट तुम्हें बुरा लग रहा है, आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू आर अपसेट अबाउट दिस, बट स्टिल दिस इज वॉट हैज़ टू बी डन. Talk calmly and respectfully. Avoid yelling or getting into a power struggle. Teenagers might argue. Stick to your decisions with love. Remember, open communication is the key. Be clear, firm, and understanding. You can set healthy boundaries and build a strong relationship with your teenager. So, here